Welcome back, everybody. I hope you've been liking these little creamy little videos, me boys. Mark's has put every little drop of his cream into that last one. Yeah, so basically the news is we've got a machine with no grab right now because it needed a bit of attention on the swing arm, not the swing arm, the shackle, like the little bit what connects that to the grab. I can't think what it's called right now, and I was going to get it fabricated, but I thought, you know what, let's just get the new grab on. So I've booked it in for some fabrication work. Well, not fabrication, repair work for a bit of welding. So that's going in the shop on Monday. I'll quickly show you this grab. So I'm going in for repairs on the top here, as the housing for the pipes has been damaged. So that's going to be getting welded here on both of them, and then we can get some fresh pipes in, and then the feed for the grab opening and closing are these two here. So because it obviously rotates, we need to go in here, and then that will create hydraulic feed here, come from there to there, and then the bottom will rotate, and obviously the pipes won't be in the way. And these are the two pipes for the rotation, which we need to also pipe up on the machine. So that's another job. We're also getting the gates cladded. What, pal? You're on YouTube, pal. What, pal? So we're having gates cladded from this little scabby metal, because these are actually electric gates, which I fitted myself.
No, you didn't.
I'm joking. He did electric gates. So we've got Lecky gates, and we just thought to get the ball rolling and get the gates open and closing, we'll just clad them with some cheap sheets, what we had, just to get it obviously going. So now we've got a bit of spare money. We bought this composite decking, which looks like wood. It looks like wood, it feels like wood. Hard wearing, yeah, it won't expand, won't rot.
It does expand a couple of mil, not much. That's why you're going to get a 5 mil.
So it's right. And we're going to get some nice polished stainless, is it? On the edges, yeah.
Aluminium or something.
So that'll just finish that edge off nice, it'll look good. So we're going to do that one. Oh, that does look good, doesn't it? We need to get them LEDs on there.
Oh, I've got wires in for LEDs.
Yeah, so we're going to get that one done, and then we're going to get a little, we're going to get a little telecom on the wall.
Intercom?
Yeah, intercom, we'll do that. And then, yeah. And then when you want to get in the yard, there's going to be like a creamy password, and I'll tell you what it is, boys.
You're not coming in.
Yeah, look, that's a little spec list what we bought. I've never used. I bought this thinking I'll need it. This will like the backup recovery. You know, if we ever need like 2 recoveries on the road, it's good for locals. Don't underestimate that. That's a good little thing. I know it looks a bit of a shed, but it works. And it's a 2.4 turbo in it as well, same as the transit engine. So yeah, it's all go. We've had I've sold a load of engines for export, so we've been pulling them out, ripping them out. Whilst with the machines out of action, we're trying to do as much work that doesn't involve the machine. So yeah, I mean, it's all good really, we're busy. I'm just on a collection. I've not done collecting for ages. We've actually had a driver. We've been getting a driver in because
onto the A680.
Just been that busy, which is good. Because we always said me and John will pick all the cars up until it's just becoming. Oh, try that again. Camera died, boys. Welcome back, my little creamy rides. Right. So as I was saying, I'm picking up a car. I know I've picked up thousands of cars, but we've just been that busy recently. We've been getting a driver in, you know, just to take a bit of the collections off me and John, because we're just too busy now. We're too busy,
1 mile turn left
and we're too valuable to be picking up cars. I mean, we've done it now just to keep it going, but we can't keep doing it. So yeah, I've got a little Polo to pick up. Now the customer didn't answer the phone, so I don't really like setting off without speaking to him, but it's only local, so we'll take a risk. Yeah, we hope you've been enjoying the videos. Your throat really blocked up then. Hope you've been enjoying the videos. And Marky Boy's little creamy specials, they're creamy, and they are going to be creamier. So yeah, plenty more to come, and we've got some little juicy collaborations coming up with some fellow YouTubers.
Yeah, am I like dying? I think I'm dying. We've got a professional struggler on the mic. He's coming down to the yard. Legendary, if I must say so myself. We're doing some challenges with scrap car recycling. Baxenden car breakers versus scrap car recycling. That is going to be super cream. I mean, there's going to be cream everywhere. And then whoever else. I mean, this is just the way, just riding the wave, as boys. But like I said, we're going to carry on with the videos because we do enjoy doing them, and we just enjoy the feedback. I mean, we like it, and I love myself. I do love myself. I didn't know I loved myself, but I do, because every night when I'm at home, I always watch my own videos, and my girlfriend goes mad at me. Right, I'm going, boys. I'll see you there. Right. I'm in the Polo, the little scrapperoo there, or should we say shedderoo there. Definitely not creamy, but it does drive, which is good. Nice and easy for loading. Drive it straight on. So I'm going to load this up here now, boys. My little creamies. Pulled my neck. I've actually pulled my neck. Right, this is the tyre popper, what we made ourselves because we couldn't afford a new one. And my little Harold's. It's made out of a retired stone cropper, and we've modified it to have a ram up here. So when we nip the tyre with this bit, nips the tyre, and then this ram here will then push the insert through. Now it has worked. It's done thousands of wheels. But the ram started getting scored on the inside of the rim, so I've had the ram repaired. Oh, just hold that open, brother. Are you still my brother or not? Yeah. Right, this is the new ram. Not new, but if you look here, it's had a new piston and a new seal. So it should be good for a while, that. So what we need to do is get this on, and then start popping some alloys, my little scoopies. So, we need to get that up there, bro. Come on, bro.
Yeah, get up there.
Yeah. Right, you get the ram. I'll hit it through.
It's heavy.
Yeah, I know it's heavy. Right, you need to get that in there. Go on, use your muscles. Right, you're not straight. Right, hold it there. Right. That'll do you, that'll do you. Oh, the caps are here. Were they on the inside of the art? They wasn't on the inside, were they? No, they weren't.
One was...
No, they were like that, they were like that.
That'll go to that one.
Right, got it parked up now, got the ram on, new seal and new piston as well. So we'll just test it, make sure it's not leaking. So it's running on 3-phase this, big 3-phase motor will come. Oh yeah! Woo! That's what we like. Get a close up, bro. We nip the tyre with that, and then push the rim through with that, like that. Juicy little steel. Get it in here. Just like that. Right, you ready to go, boy?
these now. Right, the wheel popper, we've been popping alloy wheels and steel wheels, so I'll show you them over here. So we're going to pop all these alloys, not quite as many as last time, but I reckon there's definitely over a ton and a half, and there's still probably another 40 to 50 rims to do. So we're going to get them done today. Little ones over here to finish off. I'm going to finish these, and then have a bit of a clean up and then separate the steels from the alloys.